Hi, I'm Dr. Mike for Life Extension. We wanted to do an update on things we can do to really support a strong immune system during this crazy time of cold, flu, and now the coronavirus. I've mentioned this before, and I'm going to say it again. I think everything starts with a good foundation, right? And it's important, I think, for all of us to be taking a high-quality multivitamin, the omega-3 fish oils, and a good probiotic. Those three form really the foundation of being a healthy human. And what that means is you're going to have a healthy immune system. And so I think that's where you start. And once you got that going, there are some extra nutrients that you might consider. Now, we've talked about zinc. Why are we talking about zinc? Well, it's been shown that if you're low in zinc, you are at an increased risk for viral infections, and you're just going to have a harder time revving up your immune system. So zinc is really important. It's been shown to enhance the immune system, and if you do get sick, it can shorten that time period of having symptoms. I think zinc is great once you start feeling symptoms. That's probably when you want to do a zinc lozenge. That's how I like to do it. 2 or 3 of those a day for a few days. It's really going to help you out a lot. Next one is selenium. I talk about selenium a lot. It's a mineral, and I love it because it boosts the immune system. Selenium has, just like zinc, has been shown if it's low in your body to put you at risk for viral infections. And it turns out selenium has some antiviral properties, which could be very important during this time period. Next, vitamin D. Please take it. At the end of the day, this is probably one of the most important things you can do. Yes, I know your multivitamin probably has vitamin D in it, but you're going to want to take a little bit more. 1,000 units extra, 2,000 units extra, whatever that is, talk to your doctor. But vitamin D, why is this so important? It's the orchestrator. It's the manager of the entire immune system. Vitamin D has an influence on the white blood cells, which are immune cells, and also how they communicate together so that the immune response can be robust and strong. And listen, low vitamin D is associated with more of these viral infections. How about some extra vitamin C? Yes, I know, just like vitamin D, you'll find C in your multivitamin, but I want you to do a little bit more, maybe 1,000 milligrams more. Vitamin C has been shown to shorten the frequency and duration of colds during this time of the year, which is important. And it has a really good, strong effect on boosting the immune cells, specifically one called a neutrophil, which is very important as a frontline defender. And that's important. We want a strong front line in our immune system. And then how about melatonin? Right? It is for sleep, and that's actually really important to a strong immune system, right? If you get a good night's sleep, that's when your body recharges and reestablishes a strong immune system. So when you wake up, your immune system is ready to go. Melatonin also does have an effect on enhancing the immune response, but ultimately it's about getting you ready for that next day. So consider taking, most people 3 milligrams, or maybe up to 6 milligrams of melatonin at night. Lastly, I've mentioned this before, the beta-glucans. These are fibers that, remember I mentioned the frontline defenders? Well, that's what the beta-glucans do. They really turn on the types of cells that are ready to fight in case you are hit with a virus during this time of the year. The minute the virus comes in, these frontline defenders are ready to attack and get it out of there, and beta-glucans enhance those frontline defenders. Life Extension has a great protocol in all this. You can check it out at lifeextension.com/COVID-19. Again, lifeextension.com/COVID-19. I'm Dr. Mike. Thanks for watching.